How just 2 glasses of water per day can greatly improve your life. The list of benefits of simply drinking water is endless. After all, our bodies couldn't function properly without it. If you frequently suffer from fatigue, hunger, headaches, or digestive issues, water may be the natural remedy that your body is longing for. Drinking water only when we're thirsty isn't enough. Hydration should be an intentional act. That's why in this video, we're going to convince you how drinking 2 more glasses of water per day can make a huge difference. Will you be losing weight? Will it help in your digestion? Find out in the next minutes, so don't go just yet. Flushes toxins from your body. Technically speaking, water isn't powerful enough to neutralize toxins. However, by drinking 2 glasses of water a day, your kidneys and liver can use the water to flush out certain waste products. Besides, dehydration also derails the kidney's job. Therefore, with insufficient water, it puts you at a greater risk of having kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Supports weight loss. Whether you want to lose weight or just want to stay healthy, drinking more water should be a no-brainer. The more dehydrated you are, the less likely you're gonna overeat. This is why many people who are on a weight loss diet eat plenty of water-rich foods. Foods with high water content are very filling, thus curbing your desire to snack in between meals. Promotes smooth bowel movement. As we have mentioned, staying hydrated is crucial for your health. For example, drinking more water helps your digestive system function properly. If not, then it can lead to uncomfortable problems, say constipation. Yikes! Sufficient fluid and fiber are the killer combination. The water pumps up the fiber to keep your bowel functioning properly. Energizes your muscles. Did you know that imbalance of fluids and electrolytes in the body cells can cause them to shrivel? What's worse is that it can lead to muscle fatigue. Yep, muscle cells that lack fluid won't be able to work well, thus compromising on performance. Especially for people who exercise daily, drinking more water is a must. You must help your body compensate for the lost fluid from sweating by drinking more water. Makes your skin look awesome. 2 more glasses of water do wonders for your skin. Meanwhile, dehydrated skin is likely to appear wrinkled, dull, and dry. You can solve this by drinking lots of water. Although water isn't a miracle beauty product, i.e. it cannot erase fine lines or wrinkles, it can absolutely keep your skin looking good. You can help lock in moisture and protect your skin by using a good moisturizer and sunscreen. Helps prevent and treat headaches. Do you suffer from chronic headaches and migraines? We're sorry to hear that. But don't lose hope. Drinking water may help relieve this pain. One of the reasons for this is that dehydration commonly causes headaches. Many aren't just aware of this. While it isn't always a guarantee that water will help you every time, it doesn't hurt at all to stay hydrated either. So, are you ready to drink up? You should be. Tell us what you think about this video in the comments section below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.